Pronouns Unveiled. Relative pronouns and clauses. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting episode in our English grammar series. Today, we'll dive into the world of relative pronouns and the intriguing concepts of restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. To begin, let's refresh our understanding of relative pronouns. They are special kinds of pronouns that help to provide additional information about the noun they refer to. The most common relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. Here's a simple example. The cat that sat on the mat is mine. Here, that is the relative pronoun connecting the main clause, the cat is mine, with the additional information, sat on the mat. Now, let's move on to our main topic for today, restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. These are types of clauses that follow relative pronouns, and they can significantly change the meaning of our sentences. A restrictive clause is vital to the meaning of a sentence. It limits or identifies the noun or pronoun it refers to. Without this clause, the meaning of the sentence changes drastically. For example, students who study hard will pass the exam. In this case, the clause, who study hard, restricts the group of students we're talking about. On the other hand, a non-restrictive clause offers additional information about the noun or pronoun, but its removal doesn't change the essential meaning of the sentence. It's usually set off by commas. For instance, my brother, who loves soccer, is a doctor. Here, the clause, who loves soccer, provides extra information but isn't crucial to the main idea that my brother is a doctor. The key to using these clauses effectively lies in understanding whether the information you're providing is essential or not. Remember, use a restrictive clause without commas when the information is crucial. If the information is just an additional detail, use a non-restrictive clause with commas. And a quick tip: avoid using that for non-restrictive clauses. Stick with who or which. And that's a wrap for today's lesson. We've uncovered the secret world of relative pronouns and their link to restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. With a bit of practice, you'll be weaving these into your English sentences with ease. Remember, English is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, happy learning!